Here we are at the old watering hole, which we don't even know the name of it. We don't even know the name of this.
Gold Mine Brook.
Gold Mine Brook. Don't tell all your friends. It's the coolest place. We want it to stay that way. Haha. Anyway, we'll see how far we can get because my knee and hip are not good and I can't breathe. But here I am. Look at that white hair. I have my pack. Yeah, it's not hot, luckily. I have mosquito hats. Look at that white hair. I have coffee, water, a peanut butter and jelly, a mango, and my bug spray, and mosquito hats, and rain ponchos. So I'm hoping that it will be okay for us. I have these for shoes. Which I think will be okay. Wait, look where it is. Okay. This is a really long thing. We only went up it halfway and it's not even a real park. It doesn't even have a name or a sign. We found it by accident and I can't really breathe, so let's see. I've just been in really bad shape lately. But nature always gives me back my energy. Okay, who wants to dive in? Who wants to jump into that? There's so many waterfalls here. Here's another one. It's like a giant gorge. Here's another one up there. I think. Yeah, see? Yeah. I should not be breathing heavily on video because that sounds so lame. Okay, where else? Look at that. Whoopsie. I think I'm gonna have to stop and get a drink. We've been hiking for 1 minute and we are already taking a break. I'm getting drink and Ed is getting
This is your frosty bag. I think you got something else.
and Ed is getting the bug spray. Oh, it might be in the pocket in the front.
Alright.
Where it's easy to grab it, maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
Waterfall.
I'm just gonna stitch everything together so I'm not bothering.
Waterfall. I just put it on I put it on pause.
Well, I'm just saying I haven't even bothered. Here's the other hose.
Now he's gonna take the bag.
It's an oil.
No, it's not. I'll put it on you if you want. You just want it on your hair.
Alright, I'll let you do it.
Ready, 1, 2, go. Whoops.
Don't go crazy.
I don't even know if it repels gnats.
I'm not worried about gnats.
Yum.
No.
Just say,
Don't be a nudge, be a mensch.
Ed's carrying all of that. I have Ed's bag now. His man bag. Ooh, look at that. Check that out. It goes on the opposite shoulder that you had your other bag on. It's weird. Check that out. What? Yeah, maybe that's why no one wanted it. I don't even know where I got the bag from. Because it feels very across your chest.
Oh. Off you go.
Ooh.
Oh, that's really pretty.
The foins. Ouch. See, my feet are not having it. But anyway, this is the first. Oh, this isn't the place where you go under the waterfall. think I'm gonna be quiet and just smell this place.